Seriously, so awesome.
I like to
So
work.
math.
Cooking at work is very exciting for me. I like it. So thank you so much for so many works you have for me. I love them. So good. Chopsticks, I like them. Good.
But similarly, in parts of South Africa, the San people tell ancient myths about a trickster called Yagan.
So I teach you, you can take this off, so it will be very easy to all the spoons and unstuck there. You will not be stuck by anything.
Are real sightings of the same mantis aliens. Theorizing that these creatures have preyed upon humans for centuries. Obviously, the mantis belong to a race of aliens. The origins of the stories become
Now I have another idea.
understandable when you look at some of the very real
You see, I got
mantis
this.
living on Earth.
So all this
The orchid mantis,
food we can eat, and you can use this.
luring planetary bugs and
Eat
pollinators.
it. You can outline all together. You don't need to. Classify them together. The same type of bowls together here.
Don't waste the water.
Oh yeah. Sorry. So you see, I can outline all these things in 10 minutes. Finish all the jobs.
What a good man.
What a good woman. Like this works for me. It's really good for me. I can do exercise and also it's very interesting. Do this stuff.
So you like to organize first.
Yeah, organizing is always. I can feel that I can control things. I cannot control you, but I can control dishes and bowls and the dishwasher isn't one. Almost there. Now I'm going to put all this together very quickly. You see, you can count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I finished. Do it so quick. Now you must clean here. To check, it's very empty or it's good. So I put it back. Now the big spoon here and also here this. Oh. And that's center. Yeah. This one I have. Okay. Is everything organized? Anything left? Ah, I found another. Okay, done. Last one. Done. Okay. Begin. Finish. And cooking now. I also like cooking. Yeah. Wow. Mash. I have to first clean it. Okay, another one. Done. See. good. The brushes, save brush. But the brush is dirty. Get some paper. Today I'm going to cook a fish.
Yeah, salmon.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the backyard. Because salmon cooking, fried salmon, there is some smoke, so I always cooking in the backyard. The salmon's here. So, my lovely sweet bake knife. 3 pieces or 4 pieces?
4 piece.
All 4 pieces I cannot eat too much. This
That's 3 piece.
this back. First of community, because there is some package, some plastic. I'm always cooking very fast. I will show you.
Always cook fast. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to slow cook the salmon. The soup, salmon soup, is doing very good. Okay. So firstly, get some salt here. Salt here. Not too much. Easy. Now it's going to cook. I'm choosing the hot pot. Okay. Firstly 16. Okay. Now I'm going to get some dangerous chemicals like cyanide, sulfuric acid, or chlorine are used to extract the resources, harming biodiversity. Spring onion. Spring onion is very important for the soup of the fishes. Spring onion, I'm going to prepare some. One is enough, so this one I don't want it. And so I come here. My lovely knife. Okay. Clean, wash and clean. Peels not fresh. Get them off. And cut. Cut to small pieces. I'm going to put half of them, especially the
Bottom.
bottom.
I got you.
Yeah. And the other half, when it's all done, I just because I don't want to be cooked too long time.
Do we need some pepper?
No pepper. I don't think. Just salt.
Ginger.
Yeah, no ginger. Just spring onion and salt. And
Only
also,
these 2?
if you have, I don't know, 香菜. I don't know how to say in English. You have 香菜, it's better. Only these 2.
Will be so delicious after 1 hour later.
No. You don't need 1 hour. Half an hour is good. Also, 40 minutes is also good. 40 minutes.
要盖盖吧
The lid, where's the lid? Looking for the lid. This one? No.
外边吧。你在哪一号？在哪一号？
Now I get the maid. Say they will borrow him for slow cooking, save energy and also make the steam keep in the pot. No. Okay, now I can. I need to cut this. Get this out. No worries. The cork will be recovered by the soup. You know, the fish soup is very healthy.
自己找。
Okay, now the lid on. Cook for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to show you the rice. See here. Rice. Wow, it's good. And also now I'm relaxed for a cup of coffee. And coffee spoon. Cook the coffee. Got it. Got some milk here. Milk. I like more milk. Now it seems the stream's strong, so slow down to 6. Now it's only 6. That's good. Just warm, not hot. I prefer for hot. Wait another half minute. Now it's cooked. It's good now. Now we need bubbles. Bubbles ready. So you see, you can see clearly perfect 1 cup of coffee. You know, I just like the glass cup very much, and it must be double. So this double makes the cold coffee keep warm, very warm. So I prefer for this cup very much. Don't use the mug cup anymore. Just use the glass, double glass. It's very important for coffee. Now just waiting for another 10 minutes, so the fish will be ready. Coffee ready, and my fish is going to be ready, and also the rice is ready. So very soon, my meal is ready. So yeah, maybe you're asking why I'm not eating any vegetables. Yeah, I prefer to, but not for today. This meal, I'm eating some fruit for this meal. See you later.